Alright guys, so I know this diagnostic was kind of hard for you. I'm going to go over each one very briefly, and this week we'll do a few more practice worksheets throughout the week. You can use whatever notes you take on our test at the end of the week. Let's go over the first one. Number one, we have the word water. If the drought continues, water from the nearby reservoir will be used. This is the subject of the sentence. We know that because here's the verb. Will be used. This is the main verb in the sentence. It's the thing that's happening. And the thing that does that action will be our subject. The thing that will be used is water. Subjects are the things that are doing the verb in a sentence. So that's what we have here. Number two, we could see the eyes. And then it has a bunch of prepositional phrases. Now, with parts of the sentence, know that prepositional phrases cannot be any part of sentence. So when you see a preposition like of, you have to kind of delete it from your mind. Same thing with in and the bushes, and then in front and of us. All of that can be deleted. Here we have our verb, could see. There's the verb. And the subject is we. And the word eyes, this is the thing that we could see. It's the thing receiving our, I guess, looking. So this is a direct object. It's the thing that receives the action. Subjects are the things that do things. Direct objects are the things that receive actions. All right, number three. The coach appeared calm. Here's our verb, and here's our subject. The coach is doing the appearing. Now, appearing is a special kind of verb called a linking verb. Linking verbs are words that can be replaced with an equal sign. Like I can change the word appeared to equals. The coach equals calm and very deliberate. When that happens, we can eliminate direct object and any other kind of object. It's either going to be a predicate adjective or a predicate nominative. The word calm is an adjective, not a noun. So it's a predicate adjective. A noun after a linking verb is a predicate nominative. All right, number four. Would like. This is a verb. Would is a helper verb for the main verb like. So that's done. Number five. The word that's supposed to be underlined is the guests. And here is our verb, served. And our subject is the waiter. The waiter serves the guests shrimp. So this has two objects after the verb. We have two people, places, or things after the verb. We have the guests, that's one object, and the shrimp. They can't both be direct objects. The direct object is the thing that was served, the actual thing the waiter was moving around and giving to people. And that is the shrimp. This is the direct object. But the guests, that's also an object. The guests were involved. The guests are what's called an indirect object. The indirect object doesn't directly receive the action. The indirect object benefits from the action being done to the direct object. So who benefited from the waiters serving shrimp? And the answer is the guests. They benefit. So that's the indirect object. Number six, the outfielder is a natural, and he will be, here's our verb, our subject is he, an asset. The words will be is a verb. This is a linking verb because I can replace it with an equal sign. He will equal, or he equals an asset. After a linking verb, I can't choose direct or indirect object. That's impossible. I have to choose between predicate adjective or predicate nominative. An asset. An asset is a noun. This is a thing. So this is a predicate nominative. A noun after a linking verb is a predicate nominative. All right, seven. These are types of sentences. How helpful the sales clerk was, exclamation. This is exclamatory because it has that exclamation. Number eight, please fill out the application completely and accurately. This is a command, so it's imperative. Even though it is polite because it says the word please, it's still asking you, we're not asking you, it's telling you to do something. Number 9, do you have the correct time? This is a question, so it's interrogative. And number 10, the student council plans to meet at noon today in room 22. This is a statement of fact, so it is declarative. All right, I know I was moving pretty quickly through this. We'll do a few more practice ones this week. These things are very easily studyable if you look up these terms, and I wish you luck on our test on Friday.